Hello Telcos Bank's insurance company. Overcome legacy technology issues for digital and AI era. Nowadays, companies are operating in an economy of disruption, where customers are getting amazing experience. The business environment is disruptive, where competition is coming from outside the industry as well. Technology is changing at an exponential pace. All of this is making an ecosystem very challenging for any legacy telco bank insurance company as depicted in the diagram below. Typical legacy IT landscape were good enough when users were using IT systems to get data information. But now, the users are not just information consumers. They are generating the content themselves. They are reviewing the product and rate the product with their remarks. They do chat and expect two-way participation in the process of sales and service. They are exchanging value which is far beyond mere information exchange. Ability to operate at hyperscale is not enough. Ability to hyper-personalize is the key. Ability to quickly adapt to changing market needs and respond to competitive threats is critical. Net, there is a huge focus on how to deal with disruptive ecosystem. Modern IT landscape leverage the power of modern architecture and emerging technologies of cloud, mobile, AI, blockchain, IoT, web, digital, augmented reality, virtual reality, NoSQL DB etc. What are key showstoppers from legacy IT landscape? Most of the legacy IT landscape depict most of the characteristics mentioned in table below. The impact is nothing less than that of a showstopper. Root cause of key showstoppers. Following are the few root causes. Most of the legacy telcos, banks, and insurance companies have an inventory of products that were designed and optimized for agent branch store-oriented engagement environment. Problem arises when legacy telcos, banks, and insurance companies undertake digital transformation initiatives. Because they put the same agent branch store-oriented products onto digital channels, web online, mobile app, IoT wearables etc. The business processes are not realigned for digital experience. 2. The other key reason that does not allow legacy telcos, banks, and insurance companies is the legacy IT applications landscape, where there are overlapping applications for one business capability. The diagram below depicts the cause. Addressing key showstoppers from legacy, I recommend following business shifts. 1. The fundamental shift that legacy telcos, banks, and insurance companies need to undertake is to redesign their agent branch store-oriented products for digital experience meant to be delivered through mobile, web online, IoT wearables. Digital technologies must not be viewed as additional channel to agent branch store. 2. Adopt first principle for institutionalization of experimentation and startup culture. I recommend following IT technology architecture shifts. 1. Use domain-driven design to ensure that technology is serving the business. 2. Use single responsibility principle which ensures a module should have only one reason to change. Benefit is one business functionality is not duplicated in multiple applications. IT complexity does not increase even with addition of functional features. 3. Adopt cloud-native infra technologies, also known as cattle instead of pets, to make infra provisioning fast and automated and low cost. 4. Adopt microservices architecture style and event-driven architecture to incrementally transform legacy IT landscape. 5. Define customer journeys using proven design thinking framework. 6. Identify and migrate of applications from on-premise to cloud to leverage modern cloud capabilities. 7. Use 12-factor app methodology to develop scalable, resilient web-scale applications. 8. Choose technology platforms which support open standards instead of proprietary mechanism to avoid lock-in with a specific technology provider. Choose technology products from established players like IBM, SAP, Oracle or open source from likes of Apache, Facebook, Google, IBM, Strongloop, Red Hat. End of document.